spotter activation will not be needed.
Was a test of the National Weather Service Emergency Warning System from Atlanta, KEC80. This test is conducted at approximately 11:30 each Wednesday morning, weather permitting. If this had been an actual emergency weather situation, the warning alarm would have been followed by an actual watch or warning. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected watches within a 40-mile radius of your transmitter. This area includes the following counties in the Atlanta listening area: Cherokee, Clayton, Cobb, DeKalb, Douglas, Fayette, Forsyth, Fulton, Gwinnett, Henry, Newton, Rockdale, and Walton. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting.
Here is the hazardous weather outlook.
Alrighty guys, so there you go with the Emerson CKW2000 required weekly test. Required weekly test. It ends at 5:30. So there's the test siren and there's the statement light flashing. That's a pretty odd flash pattern. I knew it flashed like that, but I've never had a radio that did that. There's the radio that was recording. Still is. And that was off. This is on display. That got it. This got it. This didn't for some reason.
8 miles an hour.
That's why. Man, why do I do that? Anyways. This got it. You know, the counties: Walton, Douglas, Clayton, Henry. As you can see, they sent it at 11:30. Originator KFFC and WS. 1528 UTC. Why is it 28? That's odd. This guy got it. 2 hours 57 minutes left. And none of these got it. This is going to go off for checkoff for the second time in a row because I forgot to turn it on. Yeah guys, there you go. Thank you very much for watching this weekly test, and I will see you guys later.